Welcome back to Primetime News. Special welcome to the folks watching on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, a double crisis, a severe water shortage due to drought, plus workers at the National Water Commission NWC going on strike on Thursday. Backed by their union, over 1,800 NWC workers said they were fed up with the slow pace of wage negotiations. As we'll hear in this report, the workers want the government to intervene.
Wage and fringe benefit negotiations for workers of the National Water Commission have been going on for almost 3 years. The latest meeting on the matter was Wednesday evening. But after discussions, which General Secretary of the National Workers Union, NWU, Granville Valentine, described as an insult, some 1,800 workers stayed off the job in protest on Thursday.
The management was not put in a position, in my view, to settle the matter. I think there was a certain level of willingness, but we pick up from the intelligence that there is prevention from higher authority.
Mr. Valentine is of the belief that the company can pay fringe benefits as well as a one-off settlement similar to what other public sector workers have agreed to.
But we are of the stronger view that the instruction given by the Finance Ministry or the technocrats at Finance Ministry is preventing that payment. Now we think we are at a crisis situation where the workers are at the stage of back to school. And you understand all the various situations that would have existed at that time.
It's why the workers at several NWC offices, including the Morosco Road office in Kingston, staged this sit-in, withdrawing their services and blocking public access. He says while there is an agreement for salaries, there is still no implementation nor payment date for the associated retroactive disbursement.
We believe that the ability exists, and as a result, and the offer is already reasonable. We think that the management also supposed to immediately implement the agreement as relates to the wages and pay the retroactive portion. They indicate to us that they are in a position to pay that retroactivity and the implementation. But to say it and to do it is two different things. We want it to be implemented.
A meeting with the Ministry of Labour was convened this afternoon. Mr. Valentine says, based on the challenges, the matter had to be escalated to the government for action.
And mainly the Ministry of Finance and the assistant of the Ministry of Labour to do everything within their power to assist the parties to get closure to this matter this evening. Tomorrow is another day. But we don't want workers to wake up on the same side they woke up this morning.
With thousands of workers now threatening to stay off the job, there is growing concern that it's the public that will suffer the most.
The workers are disgruntled and they want to vent, but they can't vent by closing down the country. So it's a responsible approach. It is the first step. The ball is in the court of the management and the further powers that be to ensure that no further stronger steps are taken.
Herman Green, TVJ News.